Hello everyone and welcome back to altcoin briefing. So in this video I'm going to check out another amazing pre-sale which is known as Life2App. So here we are on the website and you can check out the details as well. So before starting the video I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So here we are on the website. L2APP pre-sale ends soon on July 28, 2025 at 6 p.m. UTC. You can check out the days left as well as details are given here. You can check out OTC deal was in 0.015. Current preset price is 0.02. In seed private round price you will see it in 0.04. Tax taking starting price is 0.06 and CEX starting point is 0.2, which is approximately 10x till now. Down here you can check out their roadmap was started from 2022, which was basic idea. In 2023 they had started first MVP is a Hackman winner. First business were added to Life2App map. So in 2024 you can check out a launch on Google Play Store. L2App token deployed on PCS network. App store started as well as they are ranked among all move to earn apps. In 2025 you can see they are showcasing how Web3 can integrate into retail and add over 140 business partners. Due token pre-sale token start trading on DEX, partnerships with retailers and much more. In 2026 you will see token trading on centralized exchanges. Also you can check out a frequently asked questions: when will the token be traded? So they are planning to launch the token on decentralized exchanges at the end of Q3 of 2025. Why didn't you launch the token earlier? So such questions like why don't you launch the token earlier and each and everything are already answered by them. So make sure you can check it out. So get it on Google Play Store as well as App Store as well. Also you can check out their social media handles such as X, Telegram, Discord, LinkedIn as well as YouTube. So now let's check out the pre-sale, and here we are on the pink sale and you can check out they are currently trending number 10 on the pink sale. Also they have done the audit as well. The pre-sale will end in almost 5 days and 9 hours, so you can check it out. Down here you can check out their about section suggest the best play to earn game of 2025. The first AI online map and metaverse will replace Google Maps someday. Get rewards your activity, search for products, places and best friends online, and check out the behavioral pattern as well. Down here you can check out some of the details such as soft cap is 38 BNB, hard cap is 152 BNB, starting time and ending time are given here. Unsold tokens will be burned and the liquidity percentage is manual, so you can check it out as well. So now let's check out their social media handle, and here you can check out they have 17.7k followers. If we scroll you can check out they are posting about the product on regular basis, so make sure to like them as well as retweet them so that more people came to know about this awesome and amazing pre-sale. So guys, I hope so you like this amazing and awesome product review and become part of L2App pre-sale before its end. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon, so till then take care and have a nice day.